Hi, this is Saurabh, and you are looking at VS Code extension of Bytebell platform. On Bytebell platform, you can dump any number of repository with any number of files, and we use small LLMs to analyze all your code, figuring out all the cross dependencies, how the intents are doing across repositories or in the same repositories, what are the dependencies, what are the section maps, etc. to build a verification layer. This verification layer you can use to verify the code. Nowadays, 10x to 100x code is being generated without any verification, and that's why we have production bugs. Now, the onus lies with senior engineers to actually find the bugs in the code without any support layer. Ours, we provide a support layer to senior engineers and as well as junior engineers to verify their AI generated code. So here you can see I have dumped all these repositories on my account at Bytebell. I have chosen two models which are really cheap, and I am going to show you how PR review works. So we have already generated the verification layer for all these repositories, their interdependencies. So let me select one repository. We have already indexed this head current commit hash on Bytebell, and now you can choose to find the difference between those two commits and what are the differences if those edits are correct or not in this branch or PR. So let me click on it. So you can see it will first orient, then it will find all the files that have been changed. Also, then it spawns some agents concurrently to review each and every file. Then it finds a cross repository and then provides you all the PR analysis. So let me show you how it look like. So we have already done for this repository and this one. It had around 132 files that have been changed in this branch. All these agents had worked to actually figure out all the cross repository dependencies and the same repository dependencies. So these are 132 agents, and then these are the changed files based and categorized into different categories. If you want to see what changes has been made on this new code, just click on, let's say, middleware.ts. It will show you how the functionality looks like today, what will be changed and where the change will end, right? And then you can close it, and then you can go on for the cross repository analysis it has done. The whole analysis took 7 million tokens and only costed me around $1.21 as compared to $30 to $40 for each PR review of this size on Claude. So you can scroll down, you can see all the files, then you can see what the short format of the PR review, and then changed files, what all the files, these are all the 132 files changed. And then there are some warnings which, for an example, use shallow re-export remove from the barrel. This is something which you need to look at, and we will provide the button to fix and update the code, and you can just do this is the whole PR review. And in the end, if you want to just fix the code, you can do it in the code gen tab, and then if you want to run the test, you can do the test, and just by few clicks you can verify all the code that you have generated. Any code that is affecting cross repository, which will also be identified and checked and updated. So this is how PR review works on Bytebell platform. Please give it a try.